I didn't eat enough. I'm super hungry. This is a dangerous moment. You're gonna just binge on everything, whatever on your side. You gotta find the logic. Drink some water. Hard to think. It's because you're just super hungry. Children left this out on the table, on the plain side. Have one, but you know you cannot stop it at the one. Don't do it. Out of sight. You know what's best? Have a plain protein. You're rushing. You're hungry. You probably did undereat. I'm not gonna heat it up. I'm super hungry. My stomach thinks this is emergency, but my head knows this is just time to eat. We all been there. I'm in that moment today. Again, I didn't bring any snacks with me. So this is what happened. But fix it with the protein. And calm down. I'm calming down. I'm gonna cut some veggies and I make some roasted vegetables. And I'm gonna eat my dinner. Now everything feels aligned.